Sorry for the delay, guys. This has some sound issues here. Check, okay? So let me present the group. This is something we've been practicing on and off. And I have on my right here, sorry, Rishabh, okay? Our bass guitarist for the day. A little bit monitoring for his guitar here. Okay? On my left, I have Shirish, one of the oldest members of our group, playing rhythm. And our lead guitarist today, Abhishek, who's having some sound issues. Sorry about that. And at the back here, our tempo man, Ganesh, and myself, DReUaMz. Okay? So we can give you a sound check for now.